Want to make your YouTube channel homepage look more professional, just like this? Well, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to customize and organize your channel's home tab to give it a clean, attractive layout that grabs attention. First, go to your YouTube channel. You can do this by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner, then selecting your channel. Next, click on Customize Channel. This will take you to the YouTube Studio's customization section. Now, click on the Home tab. This is where you can organize how your channel looks to visitors. Here, you can fully customize your homepage, add sections like popular uploads, playlists, or recent videos. You can drag and reorder sections to match your channel's theme and style. Once you're done organizing everything, click Publish on the top right corner.
A few moments later.
After that, your new home tab design will be live. And that's it. You've just given your YouTube channel a fresh, professional look that'll impress every new visitor. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other creators.